Tissue watch. Swiss watch yan. Ito G-Shock. Ganyan, G-Shock. Kita niya yun. Try natin i-zoom. Yan. G-Shock. Hindi natin makita yung price. Ito 8,899. Itong yellow. Pati itong black. Ganun din. Ito ring purple. Tapos black to din. Diba? So, I think that's it for today. Uwi na tayo. Uulan na. Uulan na, guys. Yan, emerald. So, uwi na tayo. Mag-LRT lang tayo, Carriedo. My God! Charing. Uwi na tayo. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Bye!